everybody, Matt back with you. Hope you're okay. It's Sunday afternoon. Why not come up to Blackstone for a nice walk in the snow and have a look at the reservoir as well. As you can see as I spin round, there's very little we can see, so this could be a particularly eerie video, or it may not be anything at all, but we'll have a go. So let's have a look at some of the reservoirs up here at Blackstone. So I'm not here on my own, Rob's here with me today. I've met Rob before, but we're having a wander in the fog and something here is whistling. I'm not sure what. It's amazing to see a full reservoir frozen over, and obviously people have tried to break it. Hasn't quite worked. So behind me is the remains of Cow's Mouth Quarry, once a working quarry, right next to Whiteholme Reservoir, and just in the distance behind me is some little former buildings there, so evidence of what was here in the past. Yeah, not much else we can show you. Can't even show you any new Viking faces up here today, because I think if we wander off the path we'll be in trouble. It just looks like this. And Rob, we're having a good time. Right, we're at our next reservoir, and this one, just believe me, it's there. This is Light Hazzles Reservoir. It's only a small reservoir. It's kind of between two much bigger ones, Whiteholme and Warland is at the bottom end. So yeah, frozen over, covered in snow. Light Hazzles Reservoir. You're okay? You'll go for it, yeah. Right, so next stop is Warland Reservoir. Never been too sure what these dates and letters stand for, especially as it says 1925 over here and 1885 here. But however, this beyond us is Warland. it drifts up here. What has been running through the snow? Wow. Yeah. So this is as far down as we're walking from Blackstone Edge. Behind me, believe it or not, is Warland Reservoir, and you can probably just about make out the waterfall. I've never been here when it looks like this. This is my go-to place in summer because nobody else comes here. And wow, yeah. Rob's probably quite pleased I'm not up here with my Speedos today. So we're going to show you how solid Warland Reservoir is, right? Wow. Need a 10-ton rock. So we're still here. One reservoir left to show you, if we can show it you. This is Whiteholme Reservoir. This is quite a big one, but we're literally just going to show you it and go back. The fog has not lifted one bit. It's probably even getting thicker because behind us is the telegraph pole. You can't see it. So we'll show you this one. I'll call it there. And you're just going to have to presume everything we've said today is true because you haven't seen a thing. Yeah, just to that, perhaps. Yeah. Well, the sign is proof that we are where we say we are. However, that's the view. Okay, so obviously this video has been a lot of fog, a lot of mist, a lot of snow, and we have actually managed to fit in 4 reservoirs altogether. So yeah, no views or anything like that, but other than Gaddings, we've pretty much covered it. So we're going to head back. It is about to get dark, so we need to get back quick to the car park. So we will see you very soon. So from Rob, somewhere in the background, there he is, and myself will see you for the next video very soon. Take care. Bye for now.